Yo guys, today, I'm back again. It's been like 3 hours or so since my last video. I just really want to get a feel of YouTube again. I remember how much fun it was. Today we're going to be doing colourfull hell. I'm hoping it loaded in. I think it has. Basically, colourfull hell is a Doom randomizer mod. If it is too loud once again, tell me in the comments. Also, if you haven't watched this video, make sure to check out the last one. That one was an absolute banger. So yeah, it's help me plenty, only because I don't want to completely kill myself, because this mod is a randomizer. I just want to do something quickly. HD, scaling. Like that. Yeah, that's better. Hopefully it doesn't die. Okay. Yeah, guys, sorry if the footage is bad. I'm using a really bad video software, so... Well, my computer's also really bad as well. And it seems to be showing it as well. As you can see, it's just 1 frame a second. Anyway, it's gonna get heated in a second because we are gonna be fighting a lot of enemies. I didn't trigger that secret because I don't want it just yet. Now, there's a purple variant. I can't particularly remember the order of like how hard they are, but all I know is the top ones, which you need to look out for, are black and white variants. Now, the reason why is because they are really tough, and I am still yet to beat them. There is one type of variant. As you can see, there's regular ones, and I think I know how it goes. So your regular variety goes like regular, then it goes up one, which is green. Then the next level above that is blue. I can't remember. I haven't played this mod since I got it. And then it goes purple, then orange, red, black and white, abyss soldier, which somehow I have beaten. Usually if I was playing on my own and I was actually concentrating, because I'm not concentrating right now, because I usually play that when I'm listening to some music, but at the same time I'm going to get copyrighted, so that's not what I'm going to do. This mod is an amazing mod, I'm also going to say. Yeah. I don't know why I keep on saying so much. Yeah, if I say it a lot, don't judge me. So, we're going to get this secret. Yeah, I do know a lot about Doom. I've been playing it for a few years. So if I look like a bit of a show off, don't judge me. Just unsubscribe from my channel. I generally don't care. Because screw the haters. You know? Screw them. Sorry, I was just having some coke. Not the drug. Just some coke. So Complex Doom was a good one, which if you haven't seen, that was my first video. My second video is this one, Colourfull Hell, another randomizer. I love randomizers if you don't know. there is no special weapons. There is just regular weapons from Doom. It just changes the colours of enemies. Still some I'm yet to see and kill. God, I'm not looking forward to that. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the second level. I forgot I had the shotgun. As you can see, there's an orange tier. Actually, no, that's just a really strong person which had a chance to drop a rocket launcher. In this case, she didn't. This room doesn't seem to be as hard as usual. Why didn't you press the bloody button? Why is that in the way? Yeah. Doom is really good. So, like, play the original ones. Like if you have a PC, buy it. It's a really good game. Because if it wasn't a good game, I wouldn't be playing it right now. I love Doom. It's a lovely game. For me, it's a necessity of life. But I need it to live. If I don't play it every month, like, at least, then my life's not worth living, because I love Doom. The next video I do make, though, will not be on Doom. It will be a reaction video of a few videos, maybe, or one. You'll have to figure out by watching it. Damn it. I haven't played Doom like without weapon mods in like 10 kilometers an hour. So, yeah. It ain't actually as hard as I remembered it being. I'll just finish this level, then I'll have a little talk about what my next video might be about. Well, of course, it's going to be a reaction video, but oh, the maze. I hate the maze. I don't know if I've even gone off topic yet, other than to talk about how much I hate the maze and how much I'm gonna die. Okay, that's not that bad. I like how every time they die, they drop medkits and stuff. Yeah, they have got changeable settings. I'm not going to show you yet. There's not much. Well, actually, yeah, I will show you because it does change. Yeah, these are just optional. As you can see, I've got them off. Actually, I haven't actually seen them. I've seen the Abyss monsters, but I've never actually seen these. So I'm going to turn them on. I'm probably going to die like straight away. Oh, my computer's lagged, which means there's going to be something not good. But I'll be in the next map, which I won't be able to show you. But some enemies can be really unfair, I'm just saying. So download this with your own risk. It's colourfull something. I don't really know because I literally just look up these mods, like good mods on the internet, and play them, and then I review them. I don't work with anyone or anything because I've never had a sponsor, because I've never had any major videos. But yeah. About this mod, I think it's a pretty old mod, to be honest. I've had it, it's one of my first. And before I meet my inevitable demise, yeah. Hit me up in the comments if you've played any Doom mods. If you recommend any Doom mods, I'll review them. Yeah, yeah, we can have a chat. We can honestly talk. If you've got anything hard, like about your life or something, yeah, you can just talk to me and maybe throw a bit of hate on me or something. I don't mind. I get a lot of hate anyway. Anyway, that will be the end of the video. So, see ya.